Question 20. A, B, C and D are points on the circumference of a circle centre O. A, D, E and B, C, E are straight lines. Work out the size of angles C, D, E, giving a reason for each stage of your working. Well, let's start with this angle here, BAD. Now, BAD I know to be 66, and that's because it is subtended from these 2 points B and D, which subtend the centre 132 degrees. And so I know that the angle BAD must be half of the angle BOD. Now, I also can find BCD because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. And so C must be 114 because of that. Given this angle BCD is now 114, I can find the angle DCE because these two angles are on a straight line, and angles on our line sum to 180 degrees. So this must be 66 degrees. And now looking at the triangle DCE, I have two of the angles. The last one, CDE, is the one I want to find, and I know angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 66 minus 16 gives me my final answer of 98 degrees.